Hey, how are you doing, guys? I think you guys fabulous by the mercy of Almighty Allah. And so you can see, I'm here. Beside me, you can see party field, and here's some different kind of grass and some trees that I don't know the name, actual the name. Okay, so my motive is today share something that is about internet and especially good side of internet. You know, internet it is the invention of like science, and for this reason we have got this internet. Through internet we can do so many things. Still we cannot like live, you cannot imagine to live any single moment except internet nowadays, because through internet we are storing our like whole information, all data we can collect there, our photos, everything we can save there. And on the other hand, by browsing internet we can get like say plenty of information that is needed our daily life or whatever, any official work or general work, like through internet we can get. So especially I would like to say there are plenty of person they are using internet, and especially good way good side actually. So they are using internet. Through this internet they are getting money, and especially like YouTuber, or like they are some of our creating website, and some like a huge amount of people they are dependent on internet but for getting money, especially freelancer, and those are working hard for getting money. Okay, so internet is good invention of science. So I can say you try to use internet perfect way, proper way, which is needed at this time. Okay, behind me you can see a boy is just playing. Okay, he wanna include in my video, that's why he just came here. So I could say through by using internet we can also read articles, books. We can no need like I can say real books at this moment. If you wanna read any types of books, then you can easily search on internet. Then you will be able to get this book and any types of like information through internet. That's why I definitely say that still you were watching my video, and because of internet. Except internet you cannot watch this video. And how pretty boy here you can see. So okay, so this is the thing, try to use internet perfectly. And so there is no specific reason that I should share with you, but right now I'm here. You can see this is really mind-blowing places, and at this time I selected this topic. Okay guys, so that's all for now guys. I will make another one, another talk, and with another topic, and I think this video will help you to understand. Okay, just keep learning. Okay, Allah Hafiz. See ya. You can see. Okay.